What advice would you give to, bootstrap founder? They want to start a SaaS company. It's like you don't need money. But yeah, what would be your advice to those people?
Yeah, focus on revenue per employee. The best
Interesting.
the best business is a one person show doing 10 million in revenue, right? Well, if your competitor has 100 people and 10 million in revenue and a big valuation and gets a TechCrunch article, you're still way more successful than them, right?
Yeah.
Revenue, more freedom, revenue per employee. So focus on revenue per employee.
Hmm.
Ignore the value. Valuations do not matter unless they eventually one day become a liquid in the form of a secondary or someone's buying you. But you have to remember, the higher your valuation, the less likely buyers you have because they have to come up with more money. So it's much better to focus on building a $5 million SaaS company with 2 million in profits than it is to go try and raise $1 billion and build a $5 billion SaaS company that you can IPO in 20 years, maybe.